Hi there. So glad you're tuning in today. We've got a fun topic lined up for you.
Absolutely. It's all about expressions you might use, but not always fully understand.
Right, we're diving into the meanings and examples of 10 everyday phrases.
Let's get started, shall we?
First up, we have break a leg. Now, this might sound harsh, yet it's actually a way to wish someone good luck. Picture this, you're about to go on stage and someone shouts, break a leg. It's all about positive vibes.
It's quite the phrase, for sure. And when you've taken on too much, you might say, I've bitten off more than I can chew. It's really about acknowledging our limits, which I find can be a little hard sometimes.
So true. And then there's cost an arm and a leg. Ever looked at a price tag and just gasped? That's the feeling. It's how we describe something super expensive, like that dream car.
Or maybe a designer handbag. Moving on, cut to the chase is one we all could use more. It's about getting straight to the point, no beating around the bush. I use this one when I'm in meetings that drag on.
Absolutely, efficiency is key. Easy does it, on the other hand, reminds us to slow down. It's great when you see someone driving like they're in a race, right?
Yeah, and speaking of dynamics, ever notice when someone gives you the cold shoulder? It's as if they just don't see you there.
Oh, that one stings, doesn't it? But sometimes, saying, let sleeping dogs lie, is best when a topic is too touchy to reopen. We've all been there.
Indeed, and related to understanding, there's on the same page, which is perfect to express agreement. You and I using this phrase right now would mean we're on track with this discussion.
Exactly. But sometimes, planning can lead to disappointment when someone decides to rain on your parade. Like, who doesn't dread hearing about a forecast on the day of an outdoor party?
It's unavoidable, but it's part of life. All these expressions really shape our interactions, don't you think?
They sure do. I hope we've managed to make these expressions clearer and more relatable for you.
Definitely. And feel free to start using them. It's amazing how language can bring us closer.